We're Todd and Sherry Snyder with Hill Country Tiny Houses, and we're going to show you a tour of the Bohemian Bungalow. This is the tiny house that we built on HGTV Tiny Paradise in the city of Mason, Texas.
So here we are at the entrance to the Bohemian Bungalow. We put French doors in with a little roof over the top. This deck that we're standing on also folds up against the back doors. So with this one, everything folds up. I've got a carriage underneath for the generator to sit on and blocks, so we're self-contained. We don't have to put anything in the back of the truck. So welcome to the main living area. This unit has a slide out that's 4 feet deep and 14 feet long. So that adds a lot of extra space to this unit. This unit feels really big compared to most. Dining table for up to 4 people, and that we move in and out. This unit here is a queen size Murphy bed with storage on each side for closet space, and as you can see, the TV's there. So to open up this bed, we've got a bolt that locks it in so it can't fall down when we're traveling, and the TV, all the wiring goes through and behind and is plugged in behind. So on either side of this bed we have drawer space for clothing. We built this so it can be more than 2 people living in this one. The Murphy bed folds down and sits right on top of the lip of the slide out. So it's got garage springs that counterbalance the weight, and he engineered the mechanical pieces so when it's all the way down, it's all the way against the wall to maximize the amount of space it takes to get a queen size bed out of that. And it's built out of all 3/4 cabinet grade plywood, so it's actually heavy. Without any counterbalance, you wouldn't put it up and down very easily. So this opens up and we have storage for games, or I can put electronics in there like a DVD player, whatever, and when we travel it's all buttoned up. And the bottom units, these open up and you have a work surface or eating space for whatever you need in here too. So there's a lot going on with this setup right here. If you don't have extra people, you wouldn't necessarily need it, but it's a really great option if you have guests that come over, because that's always a concern in a tiny house where you're going to put them. So this has worked out really good for that aspect.
And in the kitchen here, one of the pieces that we added are pass-through windows, so both sides open out, and you've got a mesquite bar top out there with an awning over the top so you can just pass drinks and food. So this is the kitchen, and we've got this white farm sink. Again, you'll find a great space for trash. So this is a black walnut butcher block countertop. So we've got a drawer size dishwasher here. So I found online this beautiful bohemian kitchen style, and then I went to look for the tile and it was almost $100 a square foot, and I wasn't gonna do that in this tiny house. So we went to Floor & Decor and found this. It's called Blue Jade Arabesque Mosaic Tile, and I fell in love. Head over heels in love. I had Todd put a mint grout in there, and then just wanted to complete the whole kitchen wall with that and just splash it with this pizzazz. It would be the showstopper. And I've only had one person not like it. Everybody else just goes, wow, when they walk in and see this. So it definitely accomplished the goal that we had. So we've got a full, really the chef style 5-burner gas grill and full-size oven in this space. Then there's Also the pantry here, a really great size pantry. And the drawers down here. So yeah, just having a full-size pantry in a tiny house, that was something I just wanted to accomplish in this space. So we really kind of started with that around the fridge. And then this is a French door side-by-side, full-size, very, very large fridge and freezer. And then there's built-in, well, this is another storage space. But then we've got this built-in cabinet here, which currently holds brooms and dustpans and mops and things, but there's a lot more storage we could be doing in there. And then this piece, built-in pantry as well, more storage. That's just pretty unique because this was custom built. And then there's just a small closet space in this unit. There typically is a large closet, 8x2 back there, but this setup has just your all-in-one unit here, and then you've got space for hang-up clothes. My favorite thing in this bathroom is definitely the shower. And this gives you a real luxury spa experience, and it can create really great steam, hot shower steam in that space. And then we brought the mosaic tile into the bathroom here as well. So this is called penny tile flooring, and it has the look of river rock. So my theme in here with the wavy white tile is that there's waves like the water, and then this green mosaic tile comes down the center like a waterfall, and you've got that beautiful stained glass window back there, and then the waterfall just comes into the riverbed. So this is my artsy shower. And then this 36-inch vanity, and we found this at an antique store. And then the matching stained glass window here over the standard flush toilet, and some great storage spaces here. So this is the master bedroom that's just 4 stairs up from the main floor, and this space is right over the truck bed. So it's a gooseneck, and it would hook right in under there. And then this has another slide out right here. So that gave us a lot more space to get around in this bedroom. And this is a queen size bed here. So it also lifts up, and we'll show you that, for a whole lot of storage underneath here.
Now, as Sherry mentioned, this bed has a lot of storage underneath of it. So I'm going to show you how that works. Is on hydraulics. So there's a great amount of storage underneath, and the hydraulics keep the bed up out of the way so you can get at it. So now we're on the outside of the unit. This is the front deck, and as Sherry showed you, these windows here open up in our pass-through. So we have a bar top here made out of mesquite that we can just sit out here. The weather's so nice so much of the year in Texas that being able to shade you from the sun or the weather, you can sit out here and use this, and it's just an extension of the interior of the house. So I've got 2 decks here, and they're hinged to the side. So this pulls off when we travel. I pull this off, put it inside, and then these decks fold right up against the side of the house, cover the windows, and get strapped into place. So everything on here pretty much folds up, and we go away with it. Show hot water heater and propane tanks on the front. So this will be a good thing you can see the slide outs and how they work also on this one a little bit better. So up here in the front of the unit, you can see that we've got a gooseneck hitch on this one. You can see that the hot water heater is here, and we've got 2 or 35-pound propane tanks, a full house water filter. This setup here is for the slide outs. We hook an air compressor to this, and these levers pull these cylinders in and out, which pulls the slide outs in and out. The big one, we've actually put roller jacks on it to help bear the weight and help it slide in and out, so it's more stable long term. Those have a pin and they just pop off when we travel.
Well, thank you so much for watching this. We hope you enjoyed this tour of the Bohemian Bungalow. And for more information, you can check out our website, tinytowntexas.com, or visit our channel at Hill Country Tiny Houses. Thanks for watching.